for low-cost business ideas with huge profit potential. In college, I never wanted to start my own business. The idea of investing thousands of dollars into a product or service without any guarantee of a return on my investment was off-putting, to say the least. Within a year of graduating, however, I realized that not all business opportunities require a huge influx of upfront cash, and my search for low-cost business ideas with huge profit potential began. Eventually, I started a freelance writing business in 2013 and earned close to $200,000 in year one. The lowest cost businesses, those you can start some with as little as $100, are the ones you can start with nothing but a laptop, an internet connection, and a deep understanding of your audience. In general, these fall into 4 categories: freelancing, coaching, ebooks, online courses. Because these business types are so general, it allows you to customize yours based on your passion, abilities, and time. Keep reading to learn why these low-cost business ideas are great, and how to pick the right one for you. For types of low-cost business ideas with high profit. As you're considering which type of business is best for you, I'd like to provide a few ideas that can help you focus on opportunities that are inexpensive to start but can provide big profits in the long run. 1. Freelancing. As long as you're comfortable exchanging your time for money, freelancing is one of the lowest cost business ideas out there. It's also becoming more popular. According to a study by the Freelancers Union and freelance platform Upwork, 57.3 million people freelanced in 2017. They expect freelancers to make up the majority of the U.S. workforce by 2027. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, PR pro, or anything else that you can market, you can provide your service as a freelancer with very few expenses. For example, you may need to fork over some cash for essential tools, such as invoicing software or a website for your portfolio. But for the most part, your labor is your product, making the monetary cost to stay in business are extremely low. 2. Coaching. As with freelancing, your time is your product. You may need to gather some tools to support your sessions with clients, such as good video conference software for out-of-state clients or data collection software to get as much information from them as you can before meeting. But if you do it right, you can get those relatively cheaply. The best thing about coaching is that you can tailor your business based on what you're passionate about and good at. If you're a personal finance guru, for example, you can help people get their acts together with their money. Or if you're particularly good at managing your time, you can be a productivity coach. Again, as long as you're good at it and there are people who aren't, there's a market for you to coach. And the more experienced you are in your particular field, the easier it will be to gain clients and charge what you're worth. 3. Ebooks. If coaching isn't your cup of tea, but you still want to share your expertise, writing ebooks is another option. Your ebook can be about helping people develop better eating or exercise habits, how to write fiction, or whatever else you're good at. Again, the sky's the limit. Generally, the only cost you'll incur is the time it takes you to create and sell your ebook. If you want, you can shell out for fancy graphic design, but it's not required to provide a great product. 4. Online courses. As with ebooks, your primary expense with online courses is the time it takes you to create the material. There are some additional tools you can pay for, such as recording and editing software or video equipment for higher production value. But none of these things are required. In fact, you can create an incredible and profitable online course with a PowerPoint presentation and an inexpensive screen recording software like Camtasia. As for the content, there are courses out there for everything under the sun. Figure out what you're good at, and there's probably a market for it. If you're considering doing an online course, run a search for your specialty on online course sites like Teachable and Udemy. There, you'll get an idea of what's already out there and how you can create something better. Why it's important to keep costs low when looking for low-cost business ideas. Your dream of starting a business may never happen if it requires a big investment. And if it does, there's no guarantee it'll be on your terms. Here's why starting with low-cost business ideas is best. It lowers the barrier to entry. For most people, it's not hard to scrape together $100 to start a business. Even if you're living paycheck to paycheck, it may just require that you find some ways to earn a little extra cash or reprioritize where your money goes. And if you already have a laptop and an internet connection, you don't even need the money yet to start planning what you want to do.